Hi guys. In this video, we'll learn how to quickly and easily replace the battery on a Skamei watch. Skamei watch with two digital and analog displays. The Skamei 1016 watch uses a CR2016 battery in the CR2016 Southwest model. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's gather your tools. You'll need a small screwdriver, either a flat head or a Phillips head screwdriver depending on your watch model, tweezers if you have them, and, of course, a replacement battery suitable for your Skamei watch model. The first step, open the back of the watch. Use a small screwdriver to open the screws. We use a S² plus 2.5 screwdriver. Once opened, you'll see the old battery. Carefully remove it, using tweezers or the tip of a small screwdriver. Then, install the new battery in the correct position. Pay attention to the positive pole. For the CR2016 battery type, it functions as a voltage source for digital clocks, has a 3-volt power supply. Then the battery that functions to drive the analog clock is underneath. The CR2016 Southwest type battery has a 1.5-volt power supply. Before replacing the battery, first remove the divider between the two batteries. The next step is to remove the 1.5-volt battery located at the bottom. You can use tweezers or a small screwdriver. After the battery is removed, it's time to prepare a new battery replacement. The CR2016 Southwest watch battery equation can be used with a Type 377 with a voltage of 1.55 volts. Then, install the new battery in the correct position. Pay attention to the positive pole. Everyone, after installing the 1.5-volt battery, you can see the second hand moving. Next, install the sealing cover and the 3-volt battery. Install the battery cover, adjust it to its position and install the side screws. Finally, install the water-retaining rubber seal and the cover, then install the screws on each side. Once the battery is installed, close the back of the watch and tighten the screws. Now, try turning on the watch and make sure all functions are working properly. That's it. It's really easy, right? With a little care, you can replace your Skamei watch battery yourself at home. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting tutorials.